Hello everyone, my name is Grace. My Instagram name is JustRandom75 and my YouTube name is also JustRandom75. So today I'm here to show you all about Outre's new hair. I have the style in Bahama Mama in the color 1B and also DR Ginger Toffee. But it's the same style Bahama Mamas. So without talking too much, let's get into the video. So for the first one, this is the DR Ginger Toffee. So this is how it comes in the package. As you can see, it comes with a card and some care instructions. And it shows you pictures of different ways you can style it also. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the package. Alright, so straight out of the pack, this is how the hair looks. I like how it feels and I love the colors. So here they have one comb, one right here, and another two on the other side, and one more at the nape. And it also comes with a drawstring. So if you want to do ponytails, you can do it. I really love how the hair feels, and it's very full. And the texture, it kind of mimics 4C hair, which is what my hair texture is. So this is the ginger. So first of all, I'm gonna take I've already braided my back, the hair down, and I have like 2 braids in the front. So for this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my wig cap and put it to the back and put the braids in. For this one, I'm gonna leave the front. I'm gonna leave this braid in the front exposed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the cap and put it on my head. I like how it has the comb here, so you can just secure it. And I'm gonna secure the other comb on the side into the other braid that I had left. Just adjust the back also. Make sure you put the drawstring inside the wig so that it's not exposed in the back. And this is how it looks on so far. I love it. It's very fluffy. It's very light on the head too. It is not heavy at all. I just love it like that. So for this one, for this style, what I'm gonna do is I just want to fluff it out a bit because I like my hair to be big. So this, I'm gonna leave the braid out in the front, and all I'm gonna do is put these headbands on to this to kind of disguise the start of the wig. You can't even tell. If you want, you don't even need a headband or anything. You can just like go like this with the wig, but I want to put the headband to give it a little bit of style to show you the different ways. So for this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the headband on my head. Yeah. So it's just this headband, having it look like this with the braid, and fluff it out if you want it. Like me, I like it big, so I'm just gonna keep fluffing it out. And I like how they've layered it, so it's like it's framing my face, as you can see. So this is the first style. So this is how I'm gonna style this first one. wig cap on my head, the whole thing. So I'm going to take the wig and put it on. And frame it in a way that it falls to your face. I think they already kind of have it like coming down here already, so it's easier to make a bang style. Okay, for the next style, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some bobby pins. I chose gold ones to make it a little bit decorative. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swoop this side. So swoop it to the back, and then I'm gonna pin it.